Hi there, students. Truculent. Truculent is an adjective. You could make the adverb truculently. And there's a noun, truculence. Okay, so truculent means belligerent, hostile, uncooperative, eager to fight, eager to argue, defiant and aggressive. So I had a classroom full of truculent teenagers that I had to teach. I now understand why you were so truculent about paying the bill, because the service was terrible. He's always making truculent critical speeches. He's criticizing. He's saying how bad it is, how he doesn't like it. The population are very truculent about obeying the new rules. So truculent, spoiling for a fight, combative, bad-tempered, cross, antagonistic, obstreperous. It's very difficult to persuade truculent people. They don't want to cooperate. Yeah, they're aggressive to you. He gave me a truculent look, and then finally he truculently barked, "Hello!" From his truculent tone, I could tell that he was not going to help me. Aggressive, unfriendly, defiant. The participants at the meeting showed great truculence, and it was clear to me that we were not going to reach an agreement. I see the workers truculently making their way to their place of work in the underground in the morning. Yeah, they feel grumpy and not happy about doing it. There has always been great truculence between India and Pakistan about the issue of Kashmir. Yeah, I can understand it. So truculent, defiant, uncompromising, eager to argue or start a fight, savage or fierce. So, savage, fierce. The truculent soldiers stared at us. Yeah, they were savage and fierce. Hostile. His attitude towards us is very truculent, very hostile. Scathing and critical. He made a truculent speech against the proposition. Uncooperative. He is truculent about doing any homework at all, and we need to persuade him to do it. Okay, so truculent. Now, what about formality? I think I'd probably give this a 6.5, maybe a 7 in formality. It sounds literary, it sounds a bit posh. I think more informally I would use hostile, aggressive, combative, something like that. And then the origin is nice and easy. It comes from Latin, again, truculentus, which actually comes from the word trux, with an X, which means fierce or wild. So somebody who's truculent, they don't like you, they're angry with you, they're aggressive towards you, they're not going to help you, they will do everything they can to start a fight or an argument. So, I'm so lucky that you are not a truculent group who are watching me. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Truculent Truculence.